Have you ever wished you could read someone's mind or send your thoughts without saying a word? Welcome to the Enigma of Telepathy technology. For years, it's been a tantalizing concept nestled in the pages of science fiction. Imagine the ability to communicate thoughts, emotions, ideas, all without uttering a single syllable. It's a fascinating concept that seems too good to be true. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you it's closer to reality than you think? So, what exactly is telepathy technology? Well, let's break it down. Telepathy, a term coined from the Greek words tele, which means distant, and pathia, meaning to be affected by, refers to the transmission of information from one person to another without using any of our known sensory channels or physical interaction. Now, combine this with the word technology, and you've got a cutting-edge field that's all about making the stuff of science fiction a reality. Telepathy technology is essentially a way of reading and transmitting thoughts through brain-computer interfaces. It's a bit like learning a new language, a language of the mind, where thoughts are transferred directly from one brain to another. But how does this work? Imagine your brain as a complex computer system. It's constantly sending out electrical signals. These are your thoughts and feelings. Now, advanced neuroscience and technology come into play. They read these signals, decode them, and then transmit them to another brain-computer interface. It's like sending an email directly from your mind to another person's mind. This is all made possible through the use of electroencephalography, or EEG, a method used to record the electrical activity of the brain, and specialized software that translates these signals into understandable information. So, in a nutshell, that's telepathy technology for you. In essence, telepathy technology is the language of the future, a language that does not need words. Like all technological advancements, telepathy technology comes with its own set of benefits and drawbacks. Let's dive into the positives first. Imagine a world where communication barriers are a thing of the past. Telepathy technology could make this possible by enabling people who have speech impairments or language barriers to communicate seamlessly. It could be a game changer, providing a voice to those who have struggled to express themselves verbally. Now consider the potential for enhanced human connectivity. Think of the deeper understanding and empathy that could be fostered if we were able to share our thoughts and feelings directly with one another. Telepathy technology could redefine the way we connect, taking human relationships to a level we've only dreamed of. But as with all things, there's a flip side to this coin. The chief concern among skeptics is privacy. In a world where our thoughts can be transmitted and received like a radio signal, what happens to the sanctity of our innermost thoughts? Can they be intercepted, manipulated, or even controlled? These are questions that need serious thought. Then there's the ethical dilemma. Should we have the right to access other people's thoughts without their consent? If we do, where do we draw the line? It's a slippery slope that could potentially lead to a violation of basic human rights. Moreover, there's the potential for misuse. Just as the internet has been used for nefarious purposes, so too could telepathy technology. It could be weaponized, used for corporate espionage, or even to manipulate public opinion. So, while the prospect of telepathy technology is undeniably fascinating, it's not without its problems. It's a Pandora's box that, once opened, could change the course of human history for better or worse. So, as we stand on the brink of this new era, we must weigh the promise against the perils. So, what lies ahead for telepathy technology? As we look to the horizon, the future of telepathy technology brims with potential. Imagine a world where you could simply think of a phone number and connect with the person on the other end, without any need for a physical device. This is the kind of future that telepathy technology could unlock. Research into the field is ongoing, with scientists around the globe tirelessly working to decode the complex language of our brainwaves. The aim? To develop a system that can interpret and translate these waves into meaningful, comprehensible information. In the coming years, it's hoped that advancements in telepathy technology will revolutionize the way we communicate, making interactions more seamless and intuitive. From healthcare to entertainment, the applications of this technology are boundless and could reshape entire industries. While the future of telepathy technology is still unwritten, one thing is certain. It's a fascinating field that's pushing the boundaries of what we once thought possible.